One small mistake in this form and your entire spousal sponsorship application can be returned. And the worst part, most people don't even realize what they have done wrong until it's too late. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Parital Canada. In today's video, I will show you how to fill IMM 5406 additional family information form step by step. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In my previous video, I have explained how to fill IMM 0008 generic application form. You can watch that video by clicking the link in this card at the top right corner or in the link in the description down below. IMM 5406 additional family information form. This form is used by IRCC to collect details about your family members. Even if your family members are not coming to Canada, deceased, not in contact, you still have to mention them. Some common mistakes to avoid: leaving fields blank, always write NA if not applicable, wrong spellings or incomplete names, always use full legal names exactly in passport. Now let's move to my laptop screen and I will show you how to fill IMM 5406 additional family information form step by step. Guys, fill your application in Google Chrome browser because Safari browser is not compatible and will cause you issues while you fill your application. Now we will see how to fill IMM 5406 additional family information form. Click on edit, scroll down, so click on edit over here. Additional family information, indicate whether you are filling out this form for yourself. It is automatically filled. Scroll down. So section A, relationship applicant. So their full name, the date of birth, the country, the marital status, married, email address, and the address that is mentioned in the passport. Scroll down. So next section, relationship, spouse, common law partner or conjugal partner. So now they're asking information about your spouse. So full name, the date of birth, the country, the marital status, married, physically present, and then email address and then address that is mentioned in the passport. Next section, relationship, parent 1. In this section, you have to enter the information about your applicant's parents. Parent 1, it could be either mother or father. So let's start with the father, full name, their date of birth, country, marital status, married, and then for email address, not applicable if they don't have email address. Scroll down, address as shown in the passport. Scroll down, relationship, parent 2, mother, full name, their date of birth, country, marital status, married, email not applicable, and then address that is mentioned in the passport. Scroll down, click on save and continue. If you are learning something useful from this video, hit the like button. I also noticed many viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more people. Now let's get back to the video. Additional family information, child 1. So guys, we are filling this application as we don't have any children. But let's say you guys have a children, that you have to fill this information here. So child 1, relationship not applicable, full name not applicable, leave the date of birth blank, country not applicable, marital status you don't have to choose anything, email address not applicable, and then address not applicable. Then save and continue. Additional family information, now they're asking about your siblings. So siblings 1, relationship brother, their full name, date of birth, country India, marital status married, email address not applicable, and then address as mentioned in passport. Scroll down, click on save and continue. Scroll down. So guys, your form is filled now. Just click on complete and return to the application. Scroll down and it says ready to submit. In the next part of this spousal sponsorship series, I will show you how to fill IMM 5669 Schedule A background declaration form. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.